Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox this very special package that came from Mattel. I bought these March 9, 2021 and it just arrived this morning. This is my very first RLC cars, Redline Club cars. This is a membership kit with cars on it, and I'm lucky enough to buy the club car this year after trying for several years, and let's open it. So I bought these for 49 something US dollars. The kit include a car, club badge, and a club patch. So it cost me 49 US dollars including shipping, and I think it's 53 or 56 Canadian, and it took almost a month to come here because I've been included on the back order batch. They already released 3 club car, but I don't like it, so I didn't buy it. So let's open it, guys. This particular one is a Mustang Boss 302, I guess, with a metallic orange or Spectra Flame orange. And so the membership is actually, this year is very different. The membership costs you $9.99 US dollars, like 11 or 12 Canadian, but it's unlimited, so I think you can still purchase membership right now, not like before. It's very limited. And yeah, but the cars they're releasing is I think 15,000 to 20,000 pieces only. So if you're planning to be a member, you can still buy the membership. Just go to the Hot Wheels Collectors Club page and you can buy the membership there. And I think every month they're releasing club car. So yeah, there you go. So the cars is actually $19.99 Canadian US, and the membership is $10. So that's it. So let's take a look at the car. Again, nice packaging. I heard a lot of people complaining about the packaging, that when they arrive the blister is broken, the card is bent. So unfortunately mine, wow, there's no damage on it and it is in pretty good condition. Wow, the color is so nice actually, especially with the light on it. Wow. Well, again, this is my first RLC, so 2021. It's always come with a blister pack, like a protecto pack, but I guess you can buy them. You can buy this to them too, like 10 piece for $14 US dollars. So if you want to buy, just go to the website or see eBay. A lot of people selling these on eBay. And yep, there goes the batch. I'm not sure if this is iron on, but I'm gonna keep it. And there's the badge right there. So let's open it. Let's see the badge and the iron patch first. Iron on. No, I don't think so. This is iron on patch. RLC 21. This is nice. Hopefully it's iron on so I can put it on my jacket. Nice. Ta-da! The badge says here Mattel Hot Wheels 1970 Mustang Boss 302. Nice. Let's go to the car itself. So as you can see, It's on a blister pack, not like the one with the glass or plastic acrylic case. But it's on a wheel riders wheels, like rubber wheels. The paint is so nice. It's a spectra flame orange, and the details look, well, you get what you paid for. Not like a regular mainline, but it is so nice. And once again, there's no parts that it opens, so it says there are RLC, and the bottom says yeah. So we don't know how much they produce with this club car, Mustang Boss, so that's why they don't put the numbers of how many they produce. But there's rumors that they produce at least 50,000 of these. So, and there's two batch, the first batch and the back ordered batch. And yeah, interesting. So it says they're 2021 club car, and then in the back it says, "Welcome to the 2021 Hot Wheels Collectors Red Line Club," and etc. etc. Not for use with Hot Wheels set. UK and Canada. The barcode, license, barcode. Oh, made in China. Anyhow, so I'm not gonna open these. I'm just gonna keep it like these and put it on the blister pack or the protector pack and put it on my display. So that's it, guys. Hope for those to order, they got theirs too, because it's all amazing. So I'm waiting for another release, because they're having a poll right now what they're gonna release next. Yep, so that's it, guys. Red Line Club Hot Wheels Collectors Membership Kit 1970 Mustang Boss 302. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it. And again, thank you for watching, and do subscribe please, and hit the notification bell. See you guys next time. Bye.